Another video. Cash Kicks here. I'm gonna like, comment, subscribe right now, you guys. But Dominic, so we didn't know what to do for a vlog today. He thought trick shots, but I need to show you guys something. It is still dripping rain outside, guys. So we're not gonna do trick shots today. We have a couple choices. We can play some gameplay on the Xbox. We can show you guys the Nerf Gun Collection. We don't know, but we'll see you guys when we do know. So in 3, 2, 1. Guys, so we got the yellow section first. We're sorting them by colors. So now you want to show them the guns and how they shoot. So this is, we don't know the name for it. It doesn't tell us. So now you want to go ahead and show them how it shoots and everything. It also has a stand so it can stand up.
It's a stand. Usually it won't have this kind of ammo pack, this ever used.
But we're just using this so we can show you guys how it shoots. So,
alright, so it's already cocked. It's got decent range,
as you guys can see. Kind of hard to cock, I guess.
Yeah.
And okay. Yeah, so as you guys can see, it shoots pretty well. So then this is a Nerf, we don't know what it's called either, but it looks like end strike, so you have to pump this one. It's a pump gun. So you
and
pump
it's got the biggest rapid fire in the world. So you gotta see this. Oh snap, it went around the wrong way. I put bullets on this side, but it goes around this side, like that. And I had to go all the way around. Snap. I thought I caught it.
Alright, so yeah, that's that. And then this is kind of shield for your gun, I think. So then we got the Vulcan EBF-25 here. This one would be a little hard to shoot right now, but you want to show them?
It only has so many bullets in it.
Assassination!
So yeah, it uses one of these. And then, so the next gun, yeah, that's all for the yellow section. So we'll see you guys probably, what's the next color, do you think?
I think it might be red.
Alright, so here's the red section. So here is a Mega, it's the Magnus, sorry. So Dom, you want to shoot it real quick?
And then
yeah, it's pretty cool because you can hold 3 bullets in that. I don't know if you guys ever knew that. I always thought it held 1, but you can push the bullets in to equal 3. And so, okay, next gun. We got another Mega, the Cyclone Shock. So I want to shoot it for him. So it has range and it's really powerful. So that's a pretty good gun. Then here's another Mega. A double reach, okay. So now it holds 2 bullets. Good range, good power, like the Cyclone Shock. The last, not a Nerf gun, but it looks like one and it holds Nerf bullets, I'm pretty sure. The MG25. So Dom, so yeah, so that was the red section, as you guys saw. And so now, probably the blue section right here. The blue section, as you guys see, we'll do that one last. But so Dom's we got 2 dual strikes here. If you guys don't know how dual strike works, go ahead and flip the switch for them. So it holds elite and megas, as you guys see. So you can choose between the switch moves, and then you can put it back. So yeah, so Dom, you want to shoot the megas, and then you can shoot an elite. Pretty good range, pretty powerful. for the megas. Now he already shot an elite. So he has 2 of those. And, okay.
Extreme Snipes 101.
All right, now the Retaliator. I don't know if it has a bullet in there or not.
It does.
Okay.
Yes, a few.
All right. Just wait down. All right, go ahead. Ready, Dom?
What's wrong with that?
It might be jammed. If...
No, this is that the bullet keeps on going down. Oh, there's that. Oh, that's why.
Oh, okay.
There, problem solved.
Okay, Dom, you want to shoot that first? Bang. Bang. Range and powerful. So that was that, guys. Now we got the Disruptor Elite. No, I'm going to go shoot that for him. 1 minute. Ring. Alright. So, range, powerful. You can do a rapid fire. It's kind of hard, though. And then the final rapid fire master holds 96 bullets, 12 in each mag's, got 8 mags in the thing, and so here it goes. Rapid fire. Is it a battery down?
Maybe. It's not on and off button. Oh, there we go. This thing goes open.
So, rapid fire, 8 mags, 12 bullets in each mag, 96 bullets. Powerful, got range. So that is the blue section for you guys. So on to the next section. Pretty sure the orange is the next section. So here's the orange section. First we'll show you, it's from the Doomland series, the Double Dealer. So now you want to go show them how that shoots.
Yeah, I really like
it
how
holds,
it holds 2 extra ammo packs.
And 2 mags up here. It's pretty good, guys. Shoots 2 at a time.
Got okay range.
Yep. Yeah, that's all.
Pretty cool gun.
Yep. The next gun is the Alpha Hawk from the AccuStrike series. As you guys see.
I actually think it's not super good. It's got some duds in it.
So yep, that is that. So then we got the Flip Fury. This is from the Zombie Strike series. If you guys didn't know this, why it's called the Flip Fury is because it flips with this trigger down here. So yeah, there we go, Dom. You want to shoot that?
Yeah. Oh, no ammo's in that one.
There, Flip Fury. So yep, that's that. Then we got the Strife-Fi or something. Strife-Fi? From
Strife.
Strife from the
There.
and the
It
Elite
might not work
series.
on the first bullet, but
Yeah, but we'll see. And there's electric, I'm pretty sure, so it takes batteries. So that's the orange section. Now, all we gotta do is green section. Here we come. All right, so we called this green section. Well, we put a green Zombie Strike in there for the white section because there wasn't that much green. So the white section, here we got the Tri-Strike. So Dom, and it also has this big bullet up here that will shoot.
alright, so
Got a mag in it.
it's got really good range.
Sort of rapid fire. And there's megas here.
They can be duds and long range.
So, then
Then
they got
there's
the big
this.
bullet here. Pretty cool. Just gotta go like that. And so, now we got the pistols. I'll shoot the pistol. So, there you go.
Where'd that tea?
Yeah.
You're gonna hit
hit me with that, and I'm threatening to spray you.
I feel like you lied to me.
Oh, we're upstairs.
Very well. All right. So then we got the zombie strike. Crossfire wheel, I'm pretty sure, but I accidentally shot that, but
Dude, I don't want no trouble.
okay, shoot. Shoot. Yeah.
I
So
wasn't firing at you.
medium
I was
range.
getting away from you after.
So that is pretty much all for the collection.
Oh, snap.
And so thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe right now. And I will see you guys later. Cash Kicks out.